Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of using your Monzo card on an Android phone. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to install the Monzo app. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device, search for Monzo. Locate the official Monzo app and tap on Install to download and install it. Once installed, the next step is to either log into your existing Monzo account or sign up for a new one if you don't have an account yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login or sign-up process. Now, let's move on to adding your Monzo card. Within the Monzo app, navigate to the Card section, select Add a Card, and follow the prompts to enter your Monzo card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You may also need to provide additional verification details, such as your name and billing address. Once your card is added, it's time to set up contactless payments. Ensure that your Android phone supports NFC near-field communication and that it's enabled in your phone settings. Simply search for NFC in your settings and toggle the switch to turn it on if it's not already enabled. Now, you're all set to make a payment with your Monzo card. Simply unlock your Android phone, hold it near a contactless payment terminal, and let NFC technology do its magic. Authenticate the payment using your preferred method, such as a fingerprint or PIN, and follow the prompts on the terminal to authorize the payment. And there you have it. That's how you use your Monzo card on an Android phone. Thanks for watching and peace out.